Good afternoon from Ellsworth, Maine, just outside of Bar Harbor. We have spent the last week here just honestly resting up and visiting with family and kind of getting some things taken care of. Last time we saw you, we were like driving crazy mad to get across the eastern United States to cooler temperatures. We succeeded. It has been lovely here in Maine. A couple of warm days, like in the mid to upper 80s, but
it cools off nicely.
Yeah, it cools off wonderfully in the evenings, and then we've had plenty of days that were in the 70s. So it's been very pleasant. My mother and grandma are up here in their new to them RV. They recently moved into a Tiffin Allegro open road. This is where we met up with them and have spent the last week actually helping Mom with kind of a honey-do list. Ben did a lot of electronic and type stuff and hanging things for them, and I helped with some organizational stuff. We'll probably show you later on in a video what we helped them with, but just caught up, ate lots of lobster. Benjamin gave Miss Shelby a haircut, and she is a happy camper now. She really needed it and made a lot of difference for her being cooler and more comfortable.
She's happy.
Much happier.
She's so much
She's
happier
very happy.
climate.
She is. She's eating well, and she's perky, and her ears are up, and she is playing with Mom's dogs, and she goes on walks. Yeah, she's back to being bossy. So she does really well when we're in better weather. So today we are headed further north, and we're gonna stop at a couple of places along the way that we're excited to share with you. But the ultimate destination at this point is Nova Scotia. We're still a little undecided in terms of how much we're gonna explore up there, and we've honestly done true to us, very little research, and we're completely ill-prepared for this, but
it's Canada. There are awesome neighbors to the north. We have internet. We can shoot from the hip.
We can. There's Harvest Host up there. There's Boondockers Welcome up there. We've looked at some campgrounds to stay in, and we know roughly some of the things we want to go see. Well, we've made it. We are at Jasper Beach, just outside of Port, Maine.
Machias.
That is not how you say it. No.
Oh, come on. At the other border, it's pronounced Machias.
We're at the northern border.
Oui.
So Ben's flying the drone so you guys can get some kind of a bird's eye view of the area. I'm gonna be really honest with you. I was pretty excited about coming out here because it's supposed to be this amazing place with some unique geological rock formations that cause it to be like only one other beach in the world, which is in Japan.
They look like rocks to me.
It doesn't look any different than every other beach we've ever been to in Alaska. So, I mean, sure, they're smooth and pretty, but
I guess you'll get the truth from us.
yeah, you always do, right? So, yeah. It's gorgeous, it's a beautiful view, and it's a wonderful day. The weather is amazing. It's a little breezy, you can tell. But, well, we're gonna enjoy getting some drone footage and then head on down the road.
Alright guys, it's 6 o'clock. We're calling an audible. Thought we might push to Campobello Island, but instead we are ending up at a place called Sunset Point RV Park. Since we're traveling with Mom and Grandma for this short stretch, they like to have all the amenities of an RV park, and still it's also a very new experience in that big old diesel pusher. So we're hoping to get them out boondocking in our little bit of time together. But yeah, nice place. Looks like there's a little pond there. Some good, we'll probably end up taking one of those little short sites. And then there's full-length sights. Looks like it's also gonna be a good sunset tonight. Alright guys, we are going to call it a night. Thanks for watching. So the next couple videos are going to be like these mash compilations of the craziest weather we've experienced and a bunch of the mechanical stuff we've experienced in the RV life and our travels. So they're going to seem a little weird, but they're going to be awesome videos. So thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you tomorrow.